All right, you guys, so congratulations on making it to a new standard. This standard goes by a variety of different names. We call this reasoning and rhetoric, tracing and evaluating claims, tracing claims and arguments, but it all means the same thing. For this standard, what we're looking for you to be able to do is look at someone's argument and be able to determine whether or not it's a strong argument or a weak argument. Some ways that you might do that are looking at whether or not the argument is based on facts or opinions, looking at if there's any bias present, and looking at whether or not the sources being quoted are reliable, okay? So because there are so many things that go into this, I'm actually splitting up the mini lesson into several micro lessons, like teeny tiny lessons, and then you'll put it all together in one mini lesson at the end. But the first thing I want you to do before you start working on any standard practices is open up the rubric and go through it like you normally would. You don't have to highlight every single verb, but I do need you to go through and basically put the rubric into your own words with using comments so that I can tell that you understand what you're supposed to be able to do by the end of the standard. So go ahead and start with your rubric, and then once you are finished with your rubric, you can open up the very first micro lesson, as I call it, which is just a review on facts versus opinions. All right, you guys, so